Hi everyone, today I'm going to show how to make a delicious omelette. For the ingredient I have 6 eggs, crab meat, lumpfish roe, garlic, yellow bell pepper, brown mushroom, half an onion, coriander, celery and leek. Okay, and right now I'm going to cut all the vegetable in the small pieces. Okay, now is the time to mix all the ingredients together. Add all the crab meat. Fish roll. For the recipe, I don't need to add salt because the lumpfish roll is already salty. Okay, and right now just add a little bit of black pepper. And then 1 coffee spoon of sugar and mix it. Okay, and then just add the vegetable inside and then mix it well. Okay, and then keep it for 5 minutes before cook. Here is after 5 minutes, so right now I'm going to cook it. In the hot pan, add some olive oil. Okay, right now I'm done cooking all my omelette. The recipe is very delicious. You can try to cook it at home, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more video.